I'm Emmy. I'm the Volunteer Resource Manager here at Historic Bratonsville, and I am joining Jai'Lyn, our African American history interpreter today, and we are going to be making Cornhusk Dolls.
So it is not known when Cornhusk Dolls originated, but it's believed to be made originally by Native Americans, and eventually enslaved people would come to make them. Because enslaved children did not have access to the same toys as other children, they would often use things such as corn husks to create Cornhusk Dolls.
So, first you're going to need 2 corn husks. You are going to tie the tip together and fold it inside out. So we have string right here. I like to loop it once and then wrap it around and then tie it twice on the back just to give it a little extra stability. With corn husks folded inside out, you can tie off the head. So you're gonna need to get a smaller corn husk piece, roll it up and stick it in between the 2, especially where that nub is. It's pretty easy to find. And that is gonna be your arms. So next you're going to want to make the waist. That way your arms stay in place. So the next part, if you are going to make a boy, you're going to want to separate and to make 2 little legs.
And if you're making a girl, you would not make legs, and you just get another piece of corn husk and you would cut it to make an apron on the front. So I think that's a good length. And I'm going to cut it even. So as you see on this doll here, you can use the hair of the corn and different corn husks to create different accessories and really make it your own.
I made a blacksmith.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you want to see more harvest activities, please visit us for Harvest on the Homestead.
And if you'd like to volunteer, please go to chmuseums.org and fill out the volunteer application.